Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Kirkland oat milk. This is pretty hard to get sometimes, so I finally got my hands on some oat milk from Costco, and this was on sale. So as you can see, 20 grams of rolled oats, vegan, dairy free, nut free. Let's take a look at the ingredients. The other side. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients right there. Let's do a quick taste test. I've tried a lot of different oat milks, almond milks, things like that, so I've never tried this one yet, so let's open this up. Alright, so there it is. Cap's open. Let's pour it in this bowl. Okay, show you the consistency. Looks okay. Ooh, it's actually really good. I would say it's on par with like Earth's Own oat milk. Has a nice oat flavor, and it's actually kind of thick. It's not like watery like rice milk, so definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.